Players practice navigating the court in this game we call pattern dribbling. Use a half court. Here's how it looks. Players start standing on the half-court line, each holding a ball. Here, players learn the most important lines on the court: the baseline, sidelines, free throw line, lane lines, and the three-point line. When you call out one of the lines on the court,
baseline,
players dribble there as fast as possible and return to half court. Start off simple, then mix it up by calling out sequences with multiple areas.
Right, we got sideline to sideline.
You can get creative and name the lines after your players' favorite animals or characters.
Who's your favorite Avenger character?
Hulk.
Hulk. Okay, beautiful. When I say Hulk, okay, the sidelines are now Hulk. Ready, Hulk!
Beginners may dribble too high and balls can start flying. Encourage them to keep the ball below their hips, taking small, controlled dribbles to keep the ball close and under control.